Hi, it's Love and Feast Kids, and today we will be unboxing Walmart's Baby Box. Let's get started. Okay, so we have water wipes, shampoo by Johnson & Johnson, face lotion or body lotion by Johnson & Johnson. We have Tommee Tippee nighttime orthodontic pacifiers. They're the glow-in-the-dark ones too. How cute is that? We have a bottle by Advent. I think it's a 5-ounce bottle. We have Oralogic, the stuffy nose, cold and cough, the roll-on. They're essential oils. We have Toddler Formula, the Next Steps by Enfagrow. That's part of Enfamil's Toddler Formula brand. We have Mommy Bliss Gripe Water. It's good for gas, colic, and fussiness and hiccups. We also have the Enfamil NeuroGrow, the Gentle Ease. This is good for babies when you have they're going through colic and they're having problems digesting the milk. That's Enfamil's sensitive brand. I used it on my daughter. It was really, really great. Oh goodness. Okay, well we have some Pedialyte. We have a $3 coupon from Pampers. And we have another can of the Enfamil, the Gentle Ease. Okay, well that completes everything that comes in Walmart's Baby Box. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like, subscribe, and keep watching for more videos. Thank you.